Aloha to all of you. This is Seashell Surf. Grab your board. Let's go for a ride. We're going to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park today on the island of Hawaii. And as we leave Hilo, we're going to stop at the Mountain View Bakery here, famous for their stone cookies. This well-known small-town bakery makes a mean mochi donut.
Aloha.
Aloha!
Nania. Mountain view. Feels good there.
Yeah. Oh, we are higher in elevation. And don't forget to share that shaka sign on the road. Yeah.
We have all kind of classes for the kids.
And now I don't have to go on to Getty Images for not fake, but pictures I don't own of Lake Ua.
Take a quick look.
Oh, Pele's dream.
Hello, my Pele. Ko Pele moe uhane. Hello, barrel of monkeys. Wow.
So this is the Ohia lehua tree. These are symbolic of Pele. It is the first type of tree to grow in lava fields.
Atoll, total. Atoll, total. Fred Roster. Does it move, Fred Roster? Can I jump on it and ride it? Merry-go-round? Probably not.
And here we have the beautiful koa trees used to make va'a, canoes, and modern day we make ukulele with them. It makes great furniture and benches. It's a beautiful tree. What do we have in the distance?
Can get there. They have some fallen leaves. Oh, you can always look at the leaf litter. No,
This is the olapa tree. This is ulei.
Ulei.
And we have another lehua. Oh yeah.
Meka ina nui ka la'au is ka la'au no ka hula mea.
And right here
Rose, native rose, huh?
Ai.
Okay, kaliko.
Ai. A kahinoa ike ika. Liko mu'o.
Ai.
Pilaku.
Ah.
These are great to use in lei.
Maybe keia o ka glaberous and o kela ka pubescent fuzzy
Uh-huh.
Ooh. He lei
Oh.
po'o ke la.
Ai.
O e ano alani. Aule ula ula.
Perfect for a lei. Little bit salmon color when the
Little
light
bit,
strikes
yeah.
it, yeah?
Hi.
Oh, it's nani.
That is nani.
Here we have a crocheted vine or lei.
Hi.
You can see our replicas of the lehua tree, just like out there. Isn't that creative?
Yeah, that's nani.
The leaf shape looks like a mamaki.
Or cotton.
Yeah.
The hibiscus
Now,
or
is
the
it
cotton,
that one
right?
that you just said, the ma'oha?
Hauhele is the yellow one. The
I thought we had some growing in
Yeah,
them.
yeah, yeah. It's
but-
ke mea no ka pua no Hawaii. Na ole ka moku o Hawaii.
Right, but the
Aupuni.
yeah.
Ka aupuni. The mele mele.
Yeah.
Ano nui.
Look like mulberry.
December 24th.
Aloha. Yeah.
Hey, akamai. Oh, malalo, okay. Oh, malalo, okay.
A simply gorgeous day. So hibiscus family, part of the native hibiscus that are yellow, alo alo. And this is the beautiful hapu'u ferns. Cosmic consciousness. Mai ha'awipio, he says.
Oh, my ha'awipio.
Oh, it said that
My
better.
ka'i. My ka'i.
I caught on with the hands up.
Minimalist. Alabai.
We call limu, well, we call seaweed limu, but we also call moss limu because it's a thing that grows on the rocks. And this guardian here is made out of the ohia wood, which was used for fences and things like this. Wow. Do you feel like you're in the jungle yet? Welcome to the jungle. Okay, what do we have over here? Rocks are called Hawaiian, pohaku in Hawaiian, and they're very much sacred. So here we have one, Lili'u Kalani by Gordon Punt, and this is made out of Hawaiian basalt, the basalt rock, which is the basic foundation of the islands. And the first mineral to grow in basalt is olivine. We see that a lot here on the island of Hawaii, as it's a younger island. Kīlauea. Welded aluminum. Right.
Pono e ho'olohe ka hua o lelo. I'm like Nana just mea mua auhe.
Right.
Ole he vau kanaka he vau. Me kia lo'i. I gotta contact this rig. Ike vau aole, but you know, low maintenance, no kamanava, low ihi, low elike meka, low ke kahi mea, you know, you can just take a picture of the flower and it tells you what it is.
Yep.
I wanna say it's a Gilead.
It looks like a miniature.
What? Kilinoe.
Yeah.
Kilinoe.
And the Hawaiian owl is known as the pueo. And here on the island of Hawaii, we even have hawks. And so this is a rock sculpture, so to speak, of the pueo's flight made bright by the moon. Beautiful. And a rare sight in some cases, we have the roots to the ohi'alehua. It's a very cherished, beloved tree here in Hawaii. How about a walk on the moon, folks? So we're up by the tree molds. Okay, real geology, people. This is a ohi'alehua tree. It's the first tree to grow out of a lava field here in Hawaii. And after eruptions, we have forests of the kipuka that have the lava that burn the trees and then leave a mold there of a lava structure. But yeah, burns the tree, leaves a puka, or a hole as we call it, and then you got new life growing.
It cannot run away, but it's so moist, the water just... You gotta see this in person.
One there. So these are more tree molds.
Just a smooth set my trunks down.
New flowers, or those are actually look like after each little pom-pom came off of it. But we still put those in lei. I hadn't seen them in so long. You're looking at Mauna Loa. Okay. You're looking at beautiful Mauna Loa. We are at Volcanoes National Park. You're looking out at the beautiful Mauna Loa. And let's go see the Kīlauea crater. And we're here looking out at the Kīlauea crater. And we have the Jagger Museum over there, closed for renovations right now. And we've been having some seismic activity. And right behind us is beautiful Mauna Loa. And it's a little malo'o. It's dry, but we have a little bit ua, a little bit kauanoi, some misty rains. You can see some of the pu'u or craters out there. And of course, we have the beautiful ohelo berries. These are Pele's favorite berries, and she asks that you offer her some before you pick them, but never pick them here. They do grow wild around the island, and you can make jelly with them. It's no wonder they're Pele's favorite. The beautiful ohelo berry.
That bright red one, I don't think is ohelo. I think that one is akia.
Oh, that's
Fish
stuns the
poison.
fish. Yeah.
Kolole.
Oh yeah, that's down at
Kila, yeah?
with the red flower or
With
the red berry. Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. It
It ave.
Puki'ave. Oh gosh. Not only haven't seen it in a long time, I can't even pronounce it anymore.
So good thing you know what berries to eat and what berries
Yeah.
not to eat.
Because you can put that prepared
This is ohelo.
in. Oh, this is ohel. Yeah, the round leaf. But the akia is over here, the plant that you stun the fish with, and then you just go in and pick them up and put them in your your eke, your bag. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, and here's your ama'u. Pepe. Oka ama'u fern. See ho
Oh, yeah.
okahilima.
Wild. At different elevations, these plants will start. Some of them, the lehua trees on Kauai, up at the bog, at the highest peak of our island, the lehua trees grow short and stubby, like these. So this is a ma'u fern, and this is one of the fern shoots. This will only have a single arm sticking out. Very soft. Now some of the fern shoots are edible. Some more ohelo berries for your breakfast table. Looks like a snow-laden tree, doesn't it? Look at that beautiful. Yep. That's how they grow up at Alaka'i Swamp. Lehua makanoi. Short as opposed to tall. Now we have a native bird, the i'iwi bird with a curved beak. It likes to drink the water from the flowers. So we are journeying to Hale Ma'u Crater, a well-known name in many hula songs dedicated to Pele and Pele's family. She has many sisters. Now Pele came from Tahiti, looking for fire. None of the islands had fire except here on Hawaii. This is where she made her home. And then she would travel. Well-known love story of Pele and a Kauai chief. She traveled in her spirit form to come back for him. Well, she traveled in her spirit form to meet him, and then she had to leave, and then she sent her sister to go get him. And she thought that they had an affair, but they did not. But, well, you can see the sulfur come over there, the marks. It's like looking at the moon, isn't it, gang? Are those long-tailed white long-tailed tropic birds that are flying around in there?
Are you on a different
Wow, lavi mayawi na binoculars. Ayamaka eke loko kika'a. Let's see if we can get one of these beautiful Kauai kea, the long-tailed white tropic birds that are soaring. Olo mai pele mai kahikina a kokowai mokini no hui kaua o kumulai hoku pele mai keki no hui keki ia pele mai a kapua o koi. Look at that. Nui ke kawahi. Plenty. This is not smoke though. This must be the misty, gentle rains. Hey, may hanapela. Bambay haule. Famous volcano house.
No, we don't. I think she said it was this one.
This is an ahaula made out of hulu feathers, and these are the lei hulu. Those are all feathers. Cost you a pretty penny, a couple thousand. Okay. Now, if you're enjoying the view, give me a thumbs up. This is Seashell Surf, and we're surfing at the volcano, Hale Mauna Loa. This is the i'iwi bird that drinks out of the lehua flower. Look at that view. Wow. Misty ua. Kauai. The smoke. We're singing pele hula songs and chants. And a lot of people come here and give lei or just heleo valeno a voice. You sing to honor the goddess as an offering to mahalo her. And so we're just doing our gig, doing what we've learned to do for protocol. And it's a celebration on the island of HAWAI'I. Home a Kamehameha e Kahi. Home of King Kamehameha I. Mauna Kea stands at 13,679 feet And Mauna Kea on the other side is 13,800 feet. They're just a couple of hundred feet apart, but they press down on the ocean floor, and thus Mauna Kea is the highest mountain in the world from the bottom of the ocean. The Kīlauea volcano is on the southeast flank of Mauna Loa.
Oh, yeah, okay. No, come here, uki uki. Na uki uki. Nui ka uki uki.
And all of the beautiful flora that you see around us, we use in lei for hula because it represents the hula goddess, as well as songs about Pele and her family. Hawaii Island is about 1 million years old as it continues to move over the hot spot and create new land, making it the most active volcano in the world. And we do have the Lo'ihi submarine volcano that's continuing to grow.
My uncle used to be part of the Sons of Hawaii. He used to sing every Christmas.
Oh, really?
In here, yeah, when I was young.
What a beauty.
And this one, oh yeah.
Copyright strike.
Yes,
From the music.
Kīlaue. Aloha. Komo mai e mikala. Kala mai lo'i kamanawa. We've worked out a few kinks while you were gone.
Mahalo nui loa to all of you for joining me, Seashell Surf, on this exciting visit to the island of Hawaii to see my cousins and revisit all the places that I used to go in college. As we say in Hawaii, until we meet again, a hui ho and aloha.